Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how I remove my heavy makeup. I have this makeup on because I made a makeup challenge, and as you can see, it's very dramatic, diba? So I'm gonna show you how I remove this. I almost dropped it. So yun na nga guys, muntik nang mahulog ang ating camera. Oh my god. So first step guys is I'm gonna be using this aloe vera cleansing wipes. Wala akong pinipiling cleansing wipes really, as long as nag-work naman siya. So yung brand na ginagamit ko, I don't know, super cheap, like $2? I'm not sure. Medyo ano lang siya, manipis. So dalawa yung gagamitin ko. Tapos remove na natin ang ating makeup. Lips. This isn't my skincare routine guys, kasi iba yung skincare routine ko. It's just the way I remove my makeup. Meron pa pala akong pillow ka. Tanggalin natin. Wala, super cute. Yan. Tapos eyeshadow na. Siya natatanggal right away with the with only the wipes, makeup wipes. And see guys, super hirap niyang matanggal no, yung white eyeliner. Gamit tayo na pangtanggal dyan. Paubos na siya oh. Bigay to ng friend ko. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. So siya guys, so as you can see, paubos na siya. So gagamit ako ng cotton. Tanggalin natin ang ating the glue. Tingnan nyo. Tanggalin natin yung kilay. Kasi yung kilay is like waterproof. Hindi waterproof, like water resistant. Yung LA girl na pangkilay. So as you can see guys, yan oh, meron pa siyang eyeliner dito. Kuha tayo ng Q-tip. Tapos, lagyan ko siya nito, yung makeup remover. Natin. Yan. See, this one is a little bit better now compared to this. Para kung kalbo. This is the Sephora Micellar Cleansing Milk. I like using this one. You can use this one to wash your face. But what I like to do first is I'm gonna use cotton pads again. Tapos, lagay natin siya dito. That's gonna be our second, cleansing. Para matanggal talaga yung, guys, yung mga makeup. Kasi although gumamit tayo kanina ng cleansing wipes, hindi yan siya matatanggal lahat sa cleansing wipes lang, guys. I'm gonna show you. See? Diba? Diba? Ang dami pa. As in, super pa niya. Babaliktarin ko siya. And, lagyan ko siya ulit nito. See? Oh, look ah. Baliktad yan ha. See? Tuloy natin ang ating neck. After nyan, okay, sa cotton pads, aking next step ay same product gagamitin ko, but this time I'm gonna wash my face with this one, okay? So, hindi siya bumubula guys, ganyan lang siya. So, super na niya, super smooth na niya, guys. That's why I love using this kasi kapag tamad akong maghilamos, so I'm just gonna get a cotton pads and I'm gonna just use this one. Then after is toner. Still have black in there. It's from the eyeliner, so I really don't like that. Okay, that one looks better now. I'm gonna be using the AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner. This is a Korean product. So, ito yung toner na ginagamit ko. Toner to make sure na clean talaga ang ating face, diba? Tingnan nyo, after the toner, meron pa siyang, see, dirt. Let's go. Yan. And last step natin is, I'm gonna be using this Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. Ito siya. Ito yung itsura niya sa loob, guys. See? Aloe Vera Gel, diba? Nalagay ko siya sa palm ko. Ganyan. Tapos, put it on my face like that. See? Super moisturizing at saka I feel like it will give back my, like moisture. You put a lot of makeup, like especially heavy makeup, it can damage. So that's why I like to clean it really, really good and restore moisture into it. So yeah.